Okay guys, so far we have seen basic level of wired and also wireless hacking. We have watched how to bypass the HTTP and HTTPS web pages by the help of the tool Bettercap, and even we have created a undetectable payload by the help of the framework called Whale. Okay, let us pack the hacking for some time, and from now on we will talk about the web development course. While coming to web development, the first idea which will strike to our mind is HTML. I think many persons are aware of what is HTML and also how HTML can create web pages. But for the sake of this video, I am going to talk about some few lines about the HTML. Our first question about HTML is, what is HTML? This is the first common question which everyone want to know. And also it is an outdated question. HTML is stand for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. It can be assisted by technologies such as cascading style sheets or CSS and scripting languages such as JavaScript. HTML describes the structure of a web page. It consists of a series of elements. Its elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as, this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, and etc. Now come to our second common question. That the question is, what is HTML elements? Our answer is simple, that is, HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. For example, we can take of header tag or body tag which have both starting and ending tag. Here in the display there are some more example of the elements. Please note this point that there are some HTML elements have no content, like the BR element. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag. Now let us talk about the web browser. The purpose of a web browser is to read HTML documents and display them correctly. The web browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, a browser does not display the HTML tags, but uses them to determine how to display the document. Okay guys, now we will talk about the HTML structure. The structure of HTML is very simple. You can see the structure or a syntax of HTML. We have to notice that the content inside the body section, the white area displayed at here, will be displayed in a browser. The content inside the title element will be shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. Okay guys, now let me show you the basic HTML document. Here, the doctype HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. The body element defines the document's body, and is a container for all the visible contents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. Okay guys, we have finished the basic introduction of the HTML in this video. We will talk more about web development in our future videos. Thank you for watching this video. To know more about hacking and programming, please visit our website coderk.com and also subscribe to our channel Coderk and click on the bell icon. To get more motivation and boost up to do more videos like this, please like this video. Please support our channel by sharing with your friends, by the way we can reach more members. Okay friends, bye and take care. I will see you in my next video. Until then, I am signing off.